This is the Hilton Knoxville Airport, where we've just installed a ProCentric server, and it powers on. This is a gold package installation. It powers on to the weather channel, and it comes up to brings the portal up. Now I'm actually going to take the portal off screen here, and I'm going to change to a different channel that doesn't have as many graphics on it. Then we'll bring the portal back up. You can see I'm using my camera with the luggage as a stabilizer. So we've got, when it comes up, the portal, we've got the channel guide, and we can arrow to the right and go directly to watch TV. So take this graphic off, which is actually only stays on for about 60 seconds and then fades off. If you go arrow to the right again, you've got a little instruction on how to use the remote control to navigate the portal. Then to the right of that, we've got a guest services directory, which I'm still building out. So the weather will come up, and it's specific right here for the Hilton at this address. Below that, we've got who do you call. So if you're on site and you need to receive a package, or if you need information on the local area, stuff like that, who do you call? What extension? And then numbers for the airline, since we're right at the airport. So that's the only build out we've got right now, but there will be more to come later.